I've noticed a really fun new Instagram transition, and it is the punch. I love this. I think it's just fun to do, and plus it makes me feel so cool just punching the camera. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
I teach you how to film yourself so you can film once to teach many. If you want to leverage your expertise to make money, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have new videos every Wednesday. Before you film any transition, you just got to think of what is going to be the transition. So what are you going to be going from to? And so I'm going to be going from this background, me looking unconfident and weary of being on camera, to transitioning just to move my background a little bit more to show my lightning bolt, and then just like on camera owning it. Okay, so let's film my first clip. So my first clip, it does have some lip sync in it, so I'm going to have to say the lip sync, and it has a sound for the punch. I'm gonna have to get the timing right on this in order for this to work. So let's film the first clip. Whenever I film reels, I really do love using the timer. This way I don't have to use my hands, I don't have to push anything down, have that awkward movement from pushing my thumb and then moving back. I can just set myself up and start recording. So I'm gonna set my timer. My timer is on the bottom of my screen here. Select that, and I'm just gonna let it play out for the entire duration. Okay, so fix my hair, get all ready, and let's film this first take. I just got it a little bit off, so I'm gonna just preview it to see if my punch was okay. I'm gonna try it one more time. So let's just delete that. You can see that you have no clips on your timeline if the bar on the top is not red. As it goes red, that's when it fills up, and that's what your clips are at. So I'm good. Let's just readjust, make sure I feel confident. Okay, I'm good. And let's set that timer. Okay, so let's do this. So the first thing I'm gonna wanna do is I'm gonna wanna trim that audio so that I have more time left on my timeline. Because if I don't trim that last clip, I'm just gonna have a little bit left and it's not going to allow me to get a longer clip. So to trim that, I'm just gonna go click the back button and then the scissors. And then I'm gonna use this cursor to go back to go to where my punch is. Perfect. Okay. And now with this clip, I'm gonna have to do the same thing. Because for the first one, I went to punch in. From this one, I'm gonna start with my fist in there, and then I'm gonna go back and I'm just gonna say the final thing. So to do this, I'm just gonna press my timer. So there we go. I set my timer. I'm gonna set my background so it looks different, so it's not the exact same as my first one. And then remember, for this one, I'm just gonna start, I'm not shy. I'm gonna look more confident. So a little trick that you can do just to make sure that your hand is similar so that the transition is more seamless is you can use the align tool. So you can see the align tool is right under your timer. You press that, and this isn't going to show up unless you have a clip already recorded. I can see my fist is right there. I can line up my fists. There we go. And then I'm just gonna go back and say my line. Okay, so let's record this. I just don't like my reaction to it. So I'm gonna go back, delete that. So for that second one, we're gonna set the timer. And then just so you know, you'll see the bar going around the timer. When the bar runs out, that's when it's gonna start recording. So you know how much time you have as the bar's going around. So I'm gonna set up my shot. This is different because I have a different background. Let's just make this look nice. Let's see. There we go. I like this, and I can stand right in the middle, and then I'll be like, I'm not shy. Perfect. Okay, let's do this. So I have my timer set, and I'm gonna press record. And then you can trim them by going to all clips. And then, there we go. Let's go to all clips, and I can preview the entire thing. So you can see that my arm's still there, it holds there for a little bit too long at the beginning of that. So I just need to trim the beginning of that to where the movement starts. So you know it's not moving when the clip is solid, so my hand is solid here, but as I just move in, it has that movement in there. So it's blurry because it's showing the blur in it, the movement in it, so then I know that's when I can trim too. So let's see this with the trim. There we go, done. Now I can add my text and my reel is filmed with my punch. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every week. Until next time, peace!